And to put the seeds below this pot with soil. But from Bulacan Garden. Put under. Put the sunflower seeds from Baguio. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah. Kunti mo nga ito.
Ilagay ko na yung seeds, ha?
Yeah.
Let's put the seeds underneath this soil. And mix soil from Bulacan Garden. So let's put some water.